In this video, we will be showing you how to replace the battery connector. The tools you will need are a Phillips head screwdriver and a pair of needle nose pliers. It is not necessary to remove the electronics box from the Caddytrek unit completely. However, it will be necessary to loosen the frame clamps to remove the lid. See the video for replacing the top cover for those instructions. Remove all of the screws as indicated by the red circles. The 5 screws on the hinge side have nuts attached. It might be necessary to use needle nose pliers to hold these nuts. I found that if you just put some upward pressure on them with one finger, they hold in place long enough to unscrew from the top. There is one additional screw in the bottom of the electronics box. Now remove the top section and flip it over to expose the wire connections. Remove the screws and nuts holding the battery connector in place. Again, I found that with upward pressure on the nuts, they hold in place while you unscrew them from the top. Remove the old connector. Take the new connector and feed the wires through the hole from the battery side of the box. Connect the wires to the circuit board, noting that the red is positive and the black is negative. Place the top section back onto the bottom of the electronics box. Reinstall the 14 screws and tighten snugly. That completes the replacement of the battery connector.